Welcome to Holistic Health Haven. Today, we're unlocking the health secrets of a humble yet powerful kitchen staple, cumin. You know me, I'm all about simple solutions for a healthier life, and cumin is a perfect example of that. It's been used for centuries in cooking and traditional medicine, and for good reason. We're going to break down the science behind cumin's incredible benefits and show you easy ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. Whether you're a cumin newbie or already use it in your dishes, get ready to discover a whole new level of this spice. So if you're ready to spice up your health and wellness journey naturally, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Let's talk about why this spice has been a star player in traditional medicine for centuries. It's not just about the flavor. Cumin is a nutritional powerhouse. Loaded with iron, it supports red blood cells and fights fatigue. Plus, it's rich in calcium for strong bones and teeth. And don't forget magnesium for muscle health. Best of all, cumin is packed with antioxidants, boosting immunity. We've all been there, that uncomfortable bloated feeling after a meal. Cumin can be your new best friend for digestive health. It stimulates digestive enzymes, reducing gas and bloating. Cumin also helps calm stomach acid and ease nausea. Just a sprinkle in your meals can make a world of difference. Want a stronger immune system? Look no further than your spice rack. Cumin is packed with immune-boosting compounds like vitamin C and those powerful antioxidants we talked about earlier. These nutrients work together to strengthen your body's natural defenses, helping you fight off those pesky colds, flu, and other infections. Think of it as giving your immune system the tools it needs to stay in fighting shape. And here's a bonus. Cumin also has anti-inflammatory properties. What does that mean for you? It can help reduce inflammation throughout your body, which is linked to a whole host of chronic diseases. So, by incorporating cumin into your diet, you're not just adding flavor, you're giving your immune system a powerful boost. And in today's world, who couldn't use a little extra immune support? Now let's talk about a topic that's often on people's minds: weight management. While there's no magic bullet, cumin can be a valuable tool in your journey to a healthier weight. Here's the thing. Cumin can help boost your metabolism, meaning your body burns calories more efficiently. And a faster metabolism can translate into easier weight loss. But it doesn't stop there. Cumin may also help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes and cravings that can lead to overeating. And remember, cumin aids digestion, which can further contribute to a healthier gut and potentially even weight management. Want that radiant glow? Cumin isn't just good for your insides, it can do wonders for your skin and hair too. Remember those antioxidants we talked about? They're like superheroes for your skin, fighting off damage from free radicals, which are those nasty things that cause premature aging. That means fewer wrinkles, a more even skin tone, and a youthful glow. But it gets better. Cumin also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can be helpful in preventing breakouts and reducing redness. And if you're dealing with hair loss, cumin might be able to help with that too. It's a good source of iron, and iron deficiency is a common cause of hair loss. For those of you managing diabetes, or even if you're just watching your blood sugar levels, cumin can be a great addition to your diet. Studies have shown that cumin may help improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar. This is crucial for managing diabetes and preventing those dangerous blood sugar spikes. And remember, cumin can help regulate your appetite and prevent those cravings that can lead to unhealthy snacking. Of course, it's essential to talk to your doctor before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you're managing a health condition like diabetes. Now let's talk about how to actually use this wonder spice in your everyday life. Don't worry, it's super easy to incorporate cumin into your meals and enjoy its incredible benefits. One of my favorite ways to use cumin is in soups and stews. It adds a warm, earthy flavor that complements a variety of ingredients. Just sprinkle some ground cumin in while you're cooking, and you're good to go. Cumin is also a staple in many Indian and Middle Eastern dishes like curries and lentil soups. The flavor profile of cumin really shines in these dishes. And if you're a fan of roasted vegetables, try tossing them with a little olive oil and cumin before roasting. The cumin adds a smoky depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. Looking for a soothing and detoxifying drink? Look no further than Cumin tea. It's incredibly easy to make and offers a range of health benefits. To make Cumin tea, simply add a teaspoon of cumin seeds to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. Cumin tea is known to aid digestion thanks to its ability to stimulate digestive enzymes. It can also help reduce bloating and gas, making it a great after-dinner drink. But that's not all. Cumin tea is also believed to have detoxifying properties, helping to flush out toxins from the body. And if you're feeling under the weather, a warm cup of cumin tea can be incredibly soothing. Cumin isn't just for cooking, it can also be incorporated into your skincare routine for a natural glow-up. One of the easiest ways to use cumin for your skin is to make a face mask. Simply mix a teaspoon of ground cumin with a tablespoon of honey to create a paste. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Cumin's antibacterial properties can help fight acne-causing bacteria, while honey moisturizes and soothes the skin. This mask can leave your skin feeling soft, smooth and refreshed. You can also add a pinch of cumin powder to your regular face wash for an extra cleansing boost. Start your day off right with a boost of flavor and nutrition by adding cumin to your morning smoothie. It's a simple way to sneak in all those incredible health benefits we've been talking about. Just a teaspoon of ground cumin is all you need to add a warm, earthy flavor to your favorite smoothie recipe. It pairs well with fruits like bananas, mangoes and berries, as well as leafy greens like spinach and kale. Cumin can aid digestion, boost your metabolism, and provide you with sustained energy throughout the morning. Plus, it's a great way to add a little something extra to your smoothie routine. So there you have it, folks. Cumin is one of the simplest yet most transformational ingredients that you can include in your daily life for better health and wellness. From boosting your immunity to giving you glowing skin, the benefits of this spice are truly remarkable. Try incorporating cumin into your diet and see the difference for yourself. Whether you're adding it to your meals, sipping on cumin tea, or using it in your skincare routine, there are endless ways to enjoy its incredible benefits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Holistic Health Haven for more natural health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the power of natural remedies.